The backyard begins with a gentle path of smooth stones and soft pebbles, leading the eye deeper into a calm sanctuary. The absence of grass brings a quiet elegance. Every step feels deliberate, every light glow a whisper of warmth beneath the evening sky. In one corner, the earth transforms into a Zen meditation ground. Raked gravel flows like silent waves, and a single bonsai stands proud, its shape sculpted by patience. The stillness invites reflection, a place where time seems to pause just long enough for you to breathe. A small wooden deck stretches quietly across the backyard, holding the stories of slow mornings and long evenings. Around it, potted greens breathe life into the space. As the lanterns flicker, the air feels softer, the world slower, and home begins to feel like a retreat. This is where the beauty of simplicity meets resilience. The desert-inspired landscape thrives without grass, just gravel, succulents, and the art of surviving the sun. The muted tones glow in the light, reminding us that beauty doesn't need excess, it only needs truth. As twilight falls, the fire pit becomes the heart of the backyard. Flames dance softly, reflecting off stone seats that hold laughter, stories, and silent comfort. Here, warmth isn't just from the fire, it's from the people who gather around it. Smooth concrete leads you to a calm courtyard, simple, balanced, timeless. A small water feature trickles softly, its rhythm blending with the wind. It's not a garden that shouts for attention, but one that teaches quiet appreciation. Without grass, the garden reaches upward. Walls come alive with hanging greens, creeping ivy, and gentle lights that twinkle like stars caught in leaves. It's a vertical symphony, a celebration of life in every direction but down. The contrast of pebble and timber tells a story of balance. Each wooden path guides you through minimalist calm, while planters ground you in organic beauty. The sound of footsteps on stone becomes part of the poetry of the space. Beneath the gentle hum of string lights, a wooden table awaits evening dinners and slow conversations. Without grass, the setting feels intentional, modern yet soulful. The scent of herbs in planters drifts through the air, completing the quiet perfection. As night deepens, the backyard becomes a mirror of calm. The gravel crunches softly underfoot, and a single bench invites you to sit, to watch the soft lights flicker, and to feel the world exhale. In this simplicity, the heart finds rest.